I decided I wanted to have an electric motor on my bicycle to assist me when the wind was blowing heavily and I needed a little assistance. I ride my bike about 20-30 minutes a day, and being an older person, sometimes I need that assistance. So anyway, I thought about the little generator that was used to produce power for electric light on a bicycle, and I thought, well, why not build a bigger one so that it would power assist me in going against the wind. So this is what I built. I took a aluminum angle iron and built a frame, and then I bought a 24 volt 250 watt scooter motor off of Amazon, and I built a wooden attachment to the motor, and this whole area here pivots, and so I can control the motor being engaged and disengaged by this cable that goes up to the front handlebar, and the motor drops down onto the tire, and the friction allows it to drive the tire and gives me a power assist against the wind. The batteries are two 12 volt batteries that came from Amazon. They're hooked up in parallel. Even though the motor's rated at 24 volts, I found that if I run at 24 volts, it exceeds the power rating of the motor, draws too much current, gets really hot. So I arranged the batteries in parallel so that they would be half the power, and that actually worked out to just under 200 watts. So that's how I set it up, and this is what it looks like on the bicycle. And as you can see, right here is a little lever that I control the engaging and disengaging of the motor in the back, and this is what it looks like from the back. And the wooden drive wheel, I sanded a groove in it so that it kind of fits the tire's groove. And it doesn't do well when it's wet, but for me, I don't go out in the rain, so it worked very well. This is how I turn it on and off. There's a little switch that I just reach back and engage, and when I want to stop, I reach back and disengage it. So, and the overall effect is that it pushes me at about 10 miles an hour if there's no headwind, and a little less or a lot less depending on the headwind. That's how I put an electric assist motor on my bicycle.